The excursion started on Fontanka River, from the pier near the famous Anichkov Bridge. The bridge is decorated with 4 amazing sculptures, Conquering a Horse by Man, by famous Petersburg sculptor Peter Klodt. Anichkov Bridge is a bridge across the Fontanka River. The bridge was erected in 1823, and was named after the nearby church of St. Panteleimon. First in Anichkov Bridge. From this point river Moika originate from Fontanka River. Next to it, there is the Sadovyi Bridge. Big Konyusheny Bridge, across the Moika River. The name of the bridge comes from the building of the main imperial stables, located on the left bank of the Moika River. Moika Street 12. Address of the National Pushkin Museum, is a museum dedicated to the life and work of Russian poet Alexander Pushkin. The Second Winter Bridge. Name of 2 adjacent bridges, over the Winter Canal in the central district of St. Petersburg. Connects the First and Second Admiralty Islands. The bridges are very low, and if there is a tide on the Neva, the water level rises, so that it becomes impossible to swim under the bridge. The First Winter Bridge. Located on the axis of Milanea Street. The Hermitage Bridge, built over the Winter Canal, near the Hermitage, was erected simultaneously with the construction of granite embankments of the Neva River in 1763 to 1766, and is one of the oldest bridges in St. Petersburg. The Palace Embankment is a street along the Neva River, which contains the complex of the Hermitage Museum buildings, including the Winter Palace, the Hermitage Theatre, and the Summer Garden. Peter and Paul Fortress, I'll tell about it in another video. The Trinity Drawbridge has 5 spans. It is one of the most beautiful and largest bridges in the northern capital. Its length is 1,910 feet, 582 meters, and its width is 77 feet, 24 meters. The monumental lattice of the Summer Garden on the Neva side has long been considered one of the symbols of St. Petersburg. This is a remarkable monument of the second half of the 18th century, created to adorn the central city embankment, and is still an excellent decoration of the city. In the distance, you can see the 3 tubes of the legendary cruiser Aurora, which a blank shot from her forecastle gun, on October 25, 1917, signaled beginning of the October Revolution. Our excursion has come to an end. I say goodbye to you. I will be glad if you liked it.